Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft Realms not loading Bedrock. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first check your internet connection. Weak connection can cause loading issues, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. You can also try to restart your router if needed. Next, update Minecraft. Go to your app store or game launcher and check for updates. Developers release updates to fix bugs, so this might solve the problem. Next thing that you can do is to sometimes restart Minecraft in your device, or simply close Minecraft and reopen it. Or if that doesn't work, restart your device too. And you can also check the server status. If Minecraft Realms is down for maintenance, simply visit the official Mojang status page or their social media for any updates. And you can also reassure or ensure your Realms subscription is active. If it's expired or there's a billing issue, you won't be able to access your room. For mobile users, you can go clear the cache and data of the Minecraft app. Go to your device settings, find Minecraft, and clear the cache and data. Lastly, if you've tried everything and still can't load your Realms, contact Mojang support for help. They can provide further assistance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft Realms not loading Bedrock. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.